Everyone, I am Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the last extended week of December 2020, that is the 22nd to the 31st of December 2020, has in store for the sun sign Virgo. For the Virgos, this week is going to be a week where your mood could be a little bit off. This is because there is a possibility that the happenings of the entire week might leave you a little bit in a low mood, a little bit disappointed, a little bit emotionally cranky, and little bit leaving you in a space of, okay, I'm not happy, so I have to think about what I have to do in order to be happy. It is this kind of a mental and emotional space that you are going to be for the entire week. Moving on to the space of work. At your workspace, however, the Virgos are going to be very, very relaxed because you have found that this is going to be a week where you realize that you have found the tempo of your work. You will be in a very relaxed space, in a relaxed zone, things is happening on time, everything is on schedule, your colleagues and your seniors being very happy and very cooperative with you. So yes, at work, things are definitely very smooth and smooth going rather. Moving on to the space of finances. Now, this is a week of where you might get a little bit disturbed financially because financially things are going to be either delayed or disappointing. So if in case you've been expecting some payments, some huge massive payments, they are going to be delayed, and that might make you a little bit going into an off mood. Also, if you have invested in something and if you are expecting some kind of good returns, you will find that your expectations are not going to be exactly met. Also, certain financial expenditures for this entire week is going to get elongated, or rather I will say they're going to be increased. So if you anticipated, let's say for example, an expenditure of 5,000, things will happen in such a way that it will eventually go from 5,000 to 7,000. So that's going to kind of burn a mini hole in your pocket. So yes, see to it that from the usual expenses, you don't unnecessarily invite any more financial expenditures, particularly for this last week of December 2020. Moving on to the space of relationships. Now, this is a space where singles need to be a little bit careful. It's better if you don't get into any relationship right now. For people who are already into a relationship, do not hurry into asking for a commitment and neither hurry while giving a commitment. So for people who are expecting a commitment from their loved ones, there are chances that the loved one might actually take some time. There are chances of a bitter disappointment if the loved one decides that, okay, after all these years of a relationship, probably the relationship is going nowhere and it's time to just quit. So this can come as a quite nasty surprise to you. Also, if you are wanting to give in a commitment, do not quit the relationship, but take your own time to decide over the several factors in the relationship and make up your mind by this entire week. Don't come to a decision by this week. Moving to the area of health, be very careful and mindful when you are especially moving up and down an escalator, or then you're climbing the stairs. There are chances that you might take a misstep and sprain your foot, or then there are chances that you might just have a little but a nasty fall. So be very careful when you're in and around moving the stairs, whether it is an escalator or then physically climbing or climbing down the stairs. Your experiences and feedback about how you felt the last extended week of December 2020 was for you is absolutely welcome. Please feel free to share your experiences in the comment box or then personally DM me, and I'll be very happy to read and understand your experiences. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.